This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. Stately brick traditional, built by Don Willis, and perfect for investor or somebody wanting to do their own renovation. Pre-listing inspection available to see. Living room, dining room, and 2 separate dens with fireplaces. Bedroom down, but real principal bedroom is up. Wonderful corner lot in sought-after Germantown location, large newer deck overlooking large yard. Classic heart-shaped tub and built-in toaster. Seller would like quick close and as is. Great opportunity at under $118 per square feet. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.